Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. I just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1968 Mustang with the Holley Sniper fuel injection on there. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we have the 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft installed, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, brand new balancer, heavy duty Russell fuel line for the Holley Sniper fuel injection, gas filters installed, all the loop clamps, oil pressure extension installed for easy hookup for the oil pressure switch, proper oil pan for the front sump, oil pan for the 68 Mustang is on there, blue ignition wires, all the wire markers are on there, all the vertical wire looms up to distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, AFR aluminum cylinder heads on there, all the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. Holley Sniper fuel injections on there, throttle cable ball, throttle return spring and bracket. Every engine is live run at the Engine Factory and tested for over 45 minutes. The Holley Sniper fuel injection menu screen will be completely dialed in, all the settings set for you, ready to go. Plug and play, ready to go. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 302 Ford. I installed the manifold vacuum fitting in there for easy vacuum hookups. PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line on there. 45-degree thermostat, proper one for the 68 Mustang. Thermostat's installed, bypass hose, oil stick and tube. Real nice serpentine system on here, alternator only, 140 amp alternator, one wire hookup, 8 rib serpentine belt, high flow aluminum water pump, proper lower hose connection on the passenger side for the 68 Mustang. So again, this is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory, completely custom built for your vehicle, ready to go. Thanks for watching.